you'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look pretty
probably not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
Flew out for the week.
All right, y'all, buckle up because this one is messy. So we've got Jana and Monique, two women who welcomed a beautiful baby girl, Sage, into the world. Like responsible adults, they agreed to split custody 50-50. No child support, just equal parenting. Sounds like a solid plan, right? Well, Monique took that deal and sprinted straight to the airport. First-class flights, luxury vacations, living it up, while Jana is back home doing the heavy lifting. Now, after months of playing full-time mom with zero support, Jana's had enough. She's heading to court demanding Monique start paying child support. But surprise, surprise, Monique isn't trying to hear that. This is exactly why some of these so-called independent women are all for equality until it's time to step up. But hey, let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into this drama. Oh, but wait. Monique did not come to court empty-handed. Nope.
Miss Williamson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so we're here today because we both have a child together and we both have split custody, but lately she has not been around. She has not been able to help me with the child. She's been doing her own thing and I need child support.
I've been working.
That's not an excuse. This is your child that you gave birth to, that I adopted, and I'm spending more time with her than you are.
I got a lot to pay for. Help y'all out, take care of the baby. Just because I'm not around, that means I'm bringing in the money.
When's the last time you helped us out?
I pay the insurance.
The baby gotta eat. The baby need clothes.
Did I need to leave? I mean, I have to be here because I'm working, but if you all needed to keep talking, I could just excuse myself. What did y'all want me to do?
I need help with getting child support because I'm not going to do this with her.
So now that I can help you with, because the going back and forth and all of that, that's not going to help your case, okay? So I understand your frustration, and I do have the court order that you provided, and it looks like child support was not ordered because you all agreed to have split custody.
Right.
Did.
Okay, so that's changed.
Yes.
All right. How often, like how long has this been going on?
For about 3 months now.
3 months?
My job ain't easy.
Neither is mine, obviously, right? You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look pretty
probably not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Now, she is working. You're having the child, I'm assuming almost 100% of the time?
Correct.
Okay. All right. You adopted the child?
Yes. I
Okay.
adopted the
How
child.
old is this child?
She's only 6.
6? What is her name?
Her name is Sage.
Sage. Oh, she sounds so cute.
She is.
Now, is there anything else you wanted me to know before I move over to her?
Her reasoning when I asked her why she isn't spending amount of time that she's supposed to, since we do have split custody, is she's working. But when I go on her Snapchat and her Instagram, she's being flued out and in Miami, but yet you don't have time to spend with your child.
Why you all on my social media anyways?
Ma'am, everybody is on your social media, okay? So let's not act like you don't know everybody is looking at social media.
Well,
And you being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
flew out for the week. No, I'm sorry. I be at work and it be a lot going on. Y'all know what I have to deal with as a flight attendant with all these crazy people on this
Okay,
airplane.
so are you being flued out with your job as a flight attendant, or are you doing other things that
I'm working
requires
as
you
a
to be away
flight
from work?
attendant. I mean, sometimes, occasionally, I may have a little flued out.
She pulled up with a whole arsenal of excuses ready to defend herself like she was fighting for her life. First, she swears she does contribute. Just because she's not physically around doesn't mean she isn't handling business. According to her, paying for Sage's insurance is more than enough. But then, oh, this is where it gets wild. she turns to Judge W and has the audacity to say that Jana has it easy because all she does is sit down all day. Yes, she really tried that in front of the judge, and this is where the drama kicks into high gear. Monique insists she doesn't spend time with Sage because she's always working, but Jana, oh, she's not buying that fairy tale for a second. And guess what? Monique isn't grinding at work. She's getting flued out to Miami, popping bottles at parties, and living her best life. Yet somehow, she can't find a single moment for her own daughter. Now, to be somewhat fair, Monique is a flight attendant, so yeah, sometimes she's actually working. But let's be real. It's looking a whole lot less like clocking in for shifts, and a whole lot more like clocking in for VIP sections. When Judge V hit her with that congratulations, I nearly lost it. I was done. That was the moment of the century. Pure comedy. Pure chaos. But trust me, the mess doesn't stop there. Judge Vonda laid down the law. Monique now has to cough up $1,011 a month in child support, and you would have thought she just...
But most of the time I be working hard. I pay this $175 insurance. Like, at least I'm doing something. I do my part.
You pay a whole $175 in health insurance. What do you want for that?
Baby could be on Medicaid, but...
Oh, you know what? That is a good point, but that's beside the point. At the end of the day, this is both of you all's child, which means that Sage is both of you all's responsibility. And you are going to pay child support. Since, I'm just sitting up here,
Ooh.
This is what I do. So how much money do you make a year? And make sure you're being honest, because I have your documents in front of me.
About $79,000.
I couldn't hear you.
About $79,000 a year.
$79,000 a year, and you want to be flued out and not give her anything for Sage? You came here to waste my time. I'm about to go ahead and read these numbers off to you so you can pay child support.
Child support?
Yes, ma'am. Child support. That's right.
I'm going to have to pay insurance too?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
need to?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to pay. Yes, ma'am. You're going to carry the health insurance and you are going to pay child support. So, based on your financial documents and what you just testified to, $79,000 a year for salary, that makes your gross $6,583, brings your net down to $5,157.12. All right. How many children? Just Sage? Sage is the only child? Okay.
That I birthed for 9 months.
That you don't take care of?
You ain't carried for 9 months.
Excuse
you know
me.
what it is
Excuse
to carry
me.
a baby for 9 months?
Just because a dog had a baby, that don't make it the mother.
Excuse me. I'm talking. I believe I'm the judge. You all do not need to address each other. You have enough issues as it is, okay? So,
That's why we
again, I need you to pay attention to these, since you like to be flued out and stuff. I need you to pay attention to these numbers as they fly your way, okay? So, $5,157.12 is your net. One child, they bring your child support obligation to $1,031.42. Well, let me go ahead and give you a credit for that $175 that you.
Thank you.
It's not going to be much, so don't thank me yet. It's not. So, let's see. I give you credit for the 175. 6583. Oh yeah, that didn't really help you out none. So, your child support obligation is still going to be close to what I just told you. So, $5,057.12, one child. Child support obligation is $1,011.
A month?
That's what I said.
$1,000?
Yes, ma'am. 1,000.
That's a whole rent payment.
You got it.
That's what I'm saying. You got it.
You got it. You being flued out.
Okay. Well, did you get what I just said? Did you got
I heard you.
Oh, okay. Is there anything further?
No.
All right. Did you have anything further?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. You all are dismissed.
The way she reacted? Shocked, stunned, betrayed. She was acting like the world was ending, like she wasn't out here dodging responsibilities while living the high life. Meanwhile, watching these two go at it was better than reality TV. Seriously, you can't make this stuff up. The drama, the delusion, the back and forth, it was giving straight-up cinematic gold. But hey, that's a wrap on today's wild ride. If you love content like this, go ahead and check out one of these videos right here. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a moment of the madness. I'll catch y'all in the